I am Devi Abhirami, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Today I am going to take a problem in average revenue and marginal revenue from the subject Business Calculus and Financial Computation. Here one problem is given, find the marginal revenue and average revenue when x equal to 10 from the revenue function y is equal to 32x minus x square. They have given a revenue function in equation form and they have given the value of x as 10. From this we are going to calculate the value of marginal revenue and also an average revenue. So given function is y is equal to 32x minus x square whereas x is equal to 10. We have to find the value of average revenue and marginal revenue. The formula for average revenue is total revenue divided by x. That is, average revenue is equal to total revenue divided by x. Total revenue is given in the form of an equation and our equation is 32x minus x square divided by x. First we have to simplify this equation, then only we have to substitute the value of x. So I am going to split the numerator and denominator separately. 32x by x minus x square by x. Here the x term and x term will get cancelled. Here there are 2x, that is x square means x into x. One of the x term and x term will get cancelled. Finally I will get 32 minus x. This is average revenue function equation. While we substituting the value of an x is equal to 10, we will get the value of average revenue. Then x equal to 10, 32 minus 10. Instead of x, I am going to substitute it as 10. So my average revenue is 32 minus 10 is 22. Okay, this is how we have to calculate the average revenue whenever the cost is differs. Second, we have to calculate the marginal revenue. Marginal revenue formula is dr by dx. D means differentiation. We are going to differentiate the revenue function with respect to x. So d by dx of r instead of r I am having the value as 32x minus x square. To differentiate these two terms, first we are going to split the differentiation. So if I splitting it, I will get d by dx of 32x minus d by dx of x square. Okay, so we know that the differentiation of x is 1. 32 is a constant value, so as it is 32 into, if I differentiate x value, x is 1. 32 into 1 minus x square. X square differentiation of x square value is 2x. So my marginal revenue function is 32 into 1 is 32 minus 2 into x is 2x. This is the marginal revenue function. For this also I am going to calculate as an x value. Here the revenue function is 32 minus 2x. We know the value of x. But x value is x is equal to 10. I am going to replace this x as 10. So marginal revenue is equal to 32 minus 2 into 10. So 2 into 10 is 20. That is 32 minus 20. Marginal revenue is equal to 12. If they didn't give the value of an x, then we have the solution in the form of an equation. So the average revenue and the marginal revenue value is, average revenue is 22 for this equation, y is equal to 32x minus x square, whereas the marginal revenue for this equation 32x minus x square is 12. This is how we have to calculate the value of an average revenue and marginal revenue whenever the cost differs. Okay, the only formula for the average revenue is total revenue by x and the formula for marginal revenue is dr by dx. Similarly, if we want to calculate the value of an average cost or the marginal cost, the formula will become average cost is equal to total cost by x and the marginal cost will become dc by dx. In that case, we are going to differentiate the cost function with respect to x. Thank you.